AI is indeed disrupting a wide range of industries, bringing both opportunities and challenges. Here are 5 industries where AI is making a significant impact. 1. Healthcare. AI is transforming healthcare by improving diagnostics, personalizing treatment plans, and optimizing hospital operations. AI-powered tools can analyze medical images, predict patient outcomes, and assist in robotic surgeries, leading to more accurate and efficient care. For instance, AI algorithms can detect early signs of diseases like cancer from medical images, enabling timely intervention and better patient outcomes. Additionally, AI-driven virtual assistants can help manage patient appointments and provide support, reducing the burden on healthcare providers and enhancing patient experience. And 2. Finance. In the financial sector, AI is enhancing fraud detection, automating customer service through chatbots, and enabling algorithmic trading. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data to identify patterns and make informed investment decisions. For example, machine learning models can detect unusual transaction patterns that may indicate fraud, providing early warnings and preventing financial losses. AI-powered robo-advisors offer personalized investment advice based on individual risk profiles and financial goals, making financial planning more accessible to the general public. 3. Retail. AI is revolutionizing the retail industry by personalizing shopping experiences, optimizing inventory management, and enhancing customer service. AI-driven recommendation systems can suggest products based on customer preferences, while predictive analytics help retailers manage stock levels more effectively. For example, AI can analyze past purchase behavior and browsing history to recommend products that are likely to interest customers, increasing sales and customer satisfaction. In addition, AI-powered chatbots can provide instant customer support, addressing inquiries and resolving issues in real time. 4. Transportation. AI is driving advancements in autonomous vehicles, traffic management, and logistics. Self-driving cars and trucks are becoming a reality, promising safer and more efficient transportation. AI algorithms can also optimize delivery routes and reduce fuel consumption. For instance, autonomous vehicles equipped with AI can navigate complex urban environments, reducing the likelihood of accidents and improving traffic flow. AI-powered logistics platforms can analyze real-time data to optimize delivery routes, minimizing delays and reducing environmental impact. 5. Cybersecurity. AI is bolstering cybersecurity efforts by detecting and responding to threats in real time. AI-powered systems can analyze network traffic, identify anomalies, and prevent cyber attacks more effectively than traditional methods. For example, machine learning models can detect patterns indicative of malware or phishing attempts, enabling swift action to neutralize threats. AI-driven security platforms can continuously monitor and adapt to new threats, providing robust protection against cyber threats and ensuring the integrity and confidentiality of sensitive data. As AI continues to evolve, these disruptions are reshaping industries and creating new opportunities for innovation and growth. Are you ready to embrace the changes brought about by AI? Or do you have concerns about its impact? The future holds exciting possibilities, and staying informed and adaptable will be key to navigating this transformative era